on today. So as the title says, I am going to be reviewing, I don't know what the title's going to say, but anywho, I'm going to be reviewing some fragrance, some nice Arabian fragrance. Seen some of these fragrance like all over TikTok, all over my For You page, and I was like, okay, I'll try it. So I'm so excited to try them. I didn't even open. You can see the plastic is still on all these boxes, so we're literally doing a first impression. So let's jump right in. Do have a fragrance I want to talk about that I tried previous to this video. I wasn't sure if I was going to include it, but I just wanted to because it's still new to my collection. And this is by Maison Alhambra Delilah Blanc. Oh, I'm saying that right? And when I sprayed this fragrance, I'm telling you, my first impression was light blue Dolce & Gabbana. I was like, this is light blue. What do you mean? So I sprayed it some time and I let it sit. And I was like, yes, very similar. No, I do. If I didn't mention, this is the dupe for Valaya from Parfum de Marly. So when I tell you, it's very close. Like very, very, very close. Like I actually sprayed this on my hand and I sprayed the Valaya on my other hand, and my husband smelled it and he was like, really close. Like literally close. Like I have the sample size for Valaya and I wear it, and I don't think it lasts that long on me, but for some reason this one, listen, I could still smell it on my PJs that I sprayed like 2 nights ago. Literally, it could really give you like a powder scent. Maybe not everybody would like that, but like the DNA of Valila and light blue, you're going to love this. So I have Mango Splash by Cuddledge. I hope I'm saying that right. And it's supposed to be the dupe for mango skin. I don't have mango skin. Ooh. So this is what it looks like. It smells nice and summery. So let's spray. Ooh, I like the atomizer. So far, so good. Let's see. Guys, I had to catch my breath. I was like, what? This smells really good. It smells like more like a vacation, like a tropic vacation somewhere. Yes. And I do smell that peach. I don't know why I smell peach. I smell like a peachy note. I'm so happy I bought this. I'm definitely gonna have to put this in the rotation for summer. Definitely summer, beachy. Yes, you want to smell like a nice tropical fruit. Yep. Mango Splash. So next we're gonna do one from Maison Alhambra. I've been seeing this also all of my For You page. I do not have the Gucci Flora perfume, so I can't tell you if it's a dupe. But so far, I do like the packaging. I'll definitely put a picture of the dupes beside me. So I love the packaging. It's so cute. Like, I'm all about packaging. I know. I'm all about packaging. I love packaging. I know it's not about the packaging, is what's inside, but I just love a good packaging. So all right, guys, so my first impression, I'm not a big fan. I don't know why it gives me like green tea vibes. I know it has like, I think it has like patchouli in it. The oldie but goodie you probably would notice in one of my perfume hauls or my perfume tours. Like, I don't really have that much Gucci. I think the only Gucci one I have is the pink one. This is the only Gucci fragrance that I have in my collection, I can pretty much say. And this is the Gucci. This is also the Gucci Flora, but this is in the pink bottle. I don't like the one in the yellow bottle. I love this. So we were in Ulta one day and I smelled this and I was like, yes, I love this smell. And I was surprised it smells so nice and floral and girly. And then later on, my husband went back and bought it for my birthday. But this is the only one, from this line, this is the only one I really like. I don't like the one in the purple bottle. I'm not too care for the one in the, I think it's the green bottle. And they have one in like in the yellow bottle now. I'm like, nah, I'm not fit. But the pink bottle right here, yes. You want to smell girly. Like even the bottle shows like it's just nice and floral. But unfortunately for this one, I don't like it. It smells like, and not like I don't like green tea. It just smells like, maybe it's the rose I think that's in here that's killing this. Yes, I think it's the rose in here, which I like rose, but it has to be done a certain way. And it's not doing nothing in this one. I'm not sure if I should let it sit in my collection and see if it's going to get better over time. I don't know. I'm really not sure. I don't know about this one. We're going to leave this one and sit for a little bit. I smell a couple Gucci Floras, and this DNA is definitely in it. That green tea, minty, that green tea, minty, woody, I don't know, like forest. It's like a forest. You go into the forest and you have all the trees and the woods, and you throw some mint and you say, okay, this is a fragrance. Not for me. So next we're gonna do the Lattafa Yara Moy. I've been seeing so much mixed reviews on this fragrance. Some people say it's nice, some people say it's not so nice. I just want to try it. So now we have this Yara Moy, same packaging, just like a nice little cream and gold. Okay. Ooh. Okay. So good. Let's spray this. Now, a lot of people said this would be like a good combination between those two up there. But I was like, I don't know about that. So I wasn't sure, but now I'm spraying it. And it is such, yes. Yes. It smells like both of them had a baby. You get that creamy feeling like you would get from the original. And you get like a nice little fruity but powdery smell like you get from Taurus. Yes, I must say, it's just like if both of them had a baby. Smells really good. Really, really good. Okay, Lattafa, you got it. You're right. Now, honestly, just off first impression, I really do like this kind of more than I like those two. For the original Yara, I had to let it sit for a while, and now it smells much better. But this honestly smells like both of them had a baby. I really like this. So I would say this is definitely like a date night fragrance, like a dinner cruise fragrance. Yes, if you're going out for a dinner on the water, you could definitely be outside and just like in the nice air and breeze, and you want to smell like this. It smells really good. So don't be surprised, you will see this fragrance more in my video. Supremacy Pink by Afron. I hope I'm saying that name right. I hope I'm not butchering these names. Oh, I like the packaging already. So this is Supremacy right here, pink. I know it's what's inside, so let's spray. Okay. Let's spray over here. And let's see. Yes, I like it. I do like it. It smells really nice. It's just like nice, airy, definitely summer, spring, summer, definitely. Just nice and floral. You can smell a little bit of that rose, but maybe the violet that's really making it not so strong. So strong, but still enough to be like really give you a nice little floral scent. Nick worthy. Definitely a brunch. Definitely a brunch sunny dress. Definitely, I do like this. So they say this is a dupe for that. They say I'm not sure. I do not have that perfume, but anyway, this really smells good. I really like this. I could definitely have this in my rotation. Definitely. So this is also a good win. And I believe you're going to see this video on Mother's Day. So I just want to wish all the mommies happy Mother's Day. All the grandmommies, the aunties, the sissies, everyone. Happy Mother's Day to everyone. And I hope you enjoy your day. All right, guys. So that's it for today. So please like and subscribe if you have it. And you know I will see you in my next one. And have a great week ahead. Bye, guys.